The future is not only in fashion for 3D scanning and printing. A few years ago Vogue put together an amazing photo spread that discussed the possibilities of 3D printing. In this feature they utilized model Karlie Kloss. What's amazing in this layout is the amount of detail that is discussed and displayed. In the picture above, what you are seeing is Karlie being photoscanned by a number of cameras. This process of capturing photos is utilized in films like Spiderman, where we see the webslinger swinging through the city. While none of us are going to have this amount of access in our homes, this article was written a few years ago prior to the addition of 360 photography being integrated into our smartphone software. Today a model like Karlie could literally have a friend walk around her in her apartment and literally be sized for apparel and footwear. What is even more interesting in this Vogue layout is the 3D figurines based on the actual body shape of the model. That picture is above in the featured image. Traditional stylists think that people aren't really interested in shopping via 3D scan. They possibly have a point, as small companies like Jackthreads, which launched a subscription box service, aren't all performing as well as investors thought. What is available via 3D scanning are opportunities beyond footwear and apparel. Imagine if athletes decided to create limited edition figurines of special moments in sports that have been caught via 3D scanning. The possibilities for keepsakes and memorabilia would be amazing.